What's up?
What's up? What's up? So yeah, I know I need to change how I start my intros and my clips. Anyways, enjoy.
What's up? It's Monday now, so I was doubting if I should keep Adyen or sell them, but as we see on the chart today, it kind of did really well. So it kind of broke the 315 line and the 1315 and the 1305 line here. So this is really good. I was planning on selling here, but then I saw that the reason it broke the resistance line is because GP Morgan Stanley has updated their how do you say it, target price. So now it's 1485. So this is a long potential way up because it was the previous price target was 1200. So it's a really big difference. Like 1200 is even below here, and then 1400 is way up here somewhere. So I think Etienne has still a long way to go. So I'll keep this on for now. But maybe I do sell half of it off somewhere tomorrow or something because I also kind of want to do another trade, and I think for the moment I already have like 15% return on investment or something, so pretty good already. Let's see. So I have 50 cents for each turbo already, so I have 65 turbos, so that's like 32 euros profit already or something on a 70 euro investment or something. So yeah, that's pretty good already. I will keep them a bit longer, I think. Yeah, just because I think it's a lot more potential. Also, the fact that it broke today means that there's likely a few good days ahead. So I'll probably sell it when it crosses the Bollinger Band on the top side for a good amount or something. Like when it peaks for a day above, then I will probably sell, and then it hopefully plunges down again or something. Anyways, we'll see. This is a good sign for me for this week, so kind of happy. Yeah, that I'm not broke already. So let's see what my next move is. Anyways, ciao.
What's up? It's Monday now. We're almost. It's almost closing. Let me just make this a bit smaller. So as you can see, I think I already did in the previous clip that it broke through the support line or the resistance line, but I kind of wanted to emphasize on how this looks throughout the day and how this probably will look throughout the week. So this really illustrates the importance of support and resistance lines. For example, we had some kind of resistance line here, a bit more like this, and as you can see, it kind of perfectly broke through this morning. So this is a really good sign, and now you can see for all the people saying that support resistance becoming support, you can actually see that people are starting to buy when stock is dropping under this support line now. So this is a really good sign that officially it had a breakthrough, and that probably the next days will still probably go up. So this is looking kind of good for me. But this is like a really good example, I think, of how resistance lines can become support lines, and how you should really look at when this is happening. And if this didn't happen, for example, today, the stock probably would have fallen back to this previous support line. But yeah, for now it's really looking good. I hope it closes above like this, for example, or something. Let me just I hope it closes above, let's see, above here somewhere. It would be nice if it would be here somewhere or something. but it's already looking good. I'm really happy. So probably one trade that is going well. Um, and also like the longer chart is looking good. It hasn't touched the Bollinger Bands yet, so I'm not gonna sell yet. But yeah, looking good, looking good. The MACD is also reversing. I know it's not really important when stocks really had a big dip late, for example in March, but it's already getting further away, so slowly this indicator starts to become more relevant again. But as you can see, like this is not really too common, like obviously happens sometimes, but normally it's more like big one up and then slowly going down and then slowly one down and then reversing, and like this is more of what the normal MACD chart looks like. But this is like in an uptrend, so it's kind of obvious that the dips are not too big always. But if we now could get a good swing in the positive direction, yeah, and have a good, maybe I'll like 1,350, probably a good aim at where I want to sell my stocks. Let me just check real quick how it's kind of difficult to determine any support and resistance lines with a stock that is reaching its all-time high, because it has never had any previous known support lines or resistance lines, so this is a bit more difficult. That's why cyclic companies that just go down and up and down and up can give you more easier outlook on where you can buy and sell certain stock. But as you can see, it broke the all day the all day, not it broke all times high, that's what I meant, today, so it's looking really good. Yeah, we'll see if tomorrow doesn't break the 1325 zone, like where it was today at the highest, then it's another story. Then I have to look if it doesn't break this 1305 or 1310 maybe, like here a bit lower. And if it breaks there, I'd probably sell out again, but not sure, because there's also like a certain support line somewhere here or somewhere. So maybe if it like comes down to here and it breaks through this one, then I'll probably sell out. But I'm guess if it comes down, it's just gonna bounce back, because this is now the new support line. And yeah, we'll see. Anyways, see you guys when I do something, hopefully, because all I do is talk about. But I think this is getting more important for me to actually know when I want to sell and know when I want to buy. And I think this can give good information on how you should also look at stock, because as you saw before, the first stocks I bought is just like, oh yeah, it crossed this indicator, oh yeah, it did that, but I never had any idea of when I actually wanted to buy in, because I just bought at that second then, and also didn't know when to want to take my wins or to cash out. Sorry, in case that would happen. But anyways, it's looking better now, so hopefully I can keep this up for the next trades that I probably can do if I cash this out, but it's not cashed out yet, so I don't want to jinx it. But anyways, let's see. Bye. What's up? We're Wednesday, I think. No, it's 2 o'clock, so it's Tuesday still, I guess. When I'm doing this update with the market closed now. So yeah, I've been thinking a lot, and I think I want to do something different, hopefully in the future. Like I know I'm a bad investor, and I like what I'm doing, and I'm just willingly to go through the manual and actually take courses on it or something. But I just like talking with it, I guess, with people would be nice. So I hope in the future that somehow I can talk with people and yeah, make this like entertaining for other people to watch, so that people also can learn from it. Because I think we need to share more knowledge in this industry, because obviously if we all share the knowledge, then it would be way easier for stocks to identify the right stocks and don't have these panic crashes and stuff. And yeah, anyway, let's move on the the to Atien. Yeah, it's kind of bit horrific, bit unfortunate, going at the moment. I was talking about the support line last clip, and can you see? Yeah, as you can see, it kind of did a bad signal here. This is a really bad signal. This is usually a bearish signal, like a gravestone or something. And once you actually understand what it means for a candlestick to be like that, for example, that day it had a really good rally. It broke the previous high. It broke this one from 3 days. It's a really good sign. It's a bullish sign normally. It was on its way to touch the Bollinger Band, but it really fell back with hard droppings of stock. So this indicates that there was really something happening, some bearish thoughts on the future of the stock. So yeah, this is also like a really undecisive candlestick, meaning that the market can swing either way next day, and there's something like, or there's a big drop or a big way up happening next. But that's how I see it. Sorry. How I see it is that if it breaks this low of today, like Tuesday here at 1278 or something, then I'll probably sell out. It's because that's a pretty bearish signal. And yeah, I've been in the stock way too long. I probably should have sold out way earlier. Like yesterday was the highest high, so I couldn't really know. But yeah, I probably should have sold today on the high. But I'm thinking, let's see tomorrow. It kind of came back a nice rally in the evening. Yeah, pretty nice. So we'll see. I hope it reverses tomorrow. Otherwise, yeah, because this is like a support line. Yeah, pretty bad at drawing straight lines, but I don't care. You can imagine being a support line or resistance line there rather. It is not being breached. This is why looking at 2 days, this is 2 days for example, 1, 2, and this is a 10-day total. Yeah, we will see tomorrow. Anyways, bye guys. It's a long evening and a long day, few days, and a few more hard days ahead of me. I'm going to work on my thesis a bit more, and have to also make sure I'm ready to go on vacation while I have to write my thesis. So. And then I also want to invest time in this channel, because I think it's really valuable that I learn from it and eventually grow and become a better investor, and just share what I do. Anyways, see you guys. Like yesterday was the highest high, so, or is it right now?